Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful stylish wall hanging crochet decoration ideas and doorbell styling, like different and latest ideas and designs. Creating a crochet doorbell cover or a decorative crochet doorbell is a creative and unique stylish ideas. So I hope you like it. Yarn of your choice, crochet hook suitable for your yarn, and small bell optional, and different ideas. You can add a decorative trim at the bottom of the bell shape. Join yarn to the bottom edges and hanging loop. Attach the chain the top of the bell where the slip stitches fasten off and weaving ends. Bell optional if you want the doorbell to actually ring. You can attach a small bell inside the crochet cover, and make sure all ends and this basic pattern can be adjustment. So I hope you like it, my video. Guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback. Take care. Hey guys, welcome.